Hey, Brad, how's it going?
Sally, I really don't want to talk about that right now.
Because of that constipation thing you're having a problem with?
It's okay, Brad. We've all had trouble being regular every now and again.
Concerned about constipation? Well, who wouldn't be? If you're having fewer than 3 bowel movements a week, like poor Brad here, you're the perfect candidate for Digestive Assurance. As a lack of turpentine prevents keeping your brushes clean, lack of fiber in the diet prevents a clean colon. By eating 1 serving of Digestive Assurance per day, your colon will be empty, but you'll be full of confidence. Do not eat more than 1 serving of Digestive Assurance per day, or gas, colon explosions, and or hallucinations may occur. Active ingredients include fiber, and more fiber. Fiber origins are not allowed to be disclosed due to an NDA with the inventor. Digestive Assurance, your go-to so that you can go.